Hey, campers and power-hungry adventurers! Are you tired of choosing between nature and Netflix? Or making coffee with a stick and your tears? Then buckle up, because today I'm reviewing what just might be the best portable power station for camping. The EF ECOFLOW Delta 2. It powers everything but your bad decisions. So, what is this magical black box of power? This, my friends, is the EF ECOFLOW Delta 2, a 1024Wh Life PO4 battery beast with a massive 1800W output. That's enough juice to power pretty much all your essentials, and your not-so-essentials, while you're living your best life in the wild. It's basically like Thor in a lunchbox, except quieter, and with fewer muscles. Let's talk about what makes this power station a certified camping MVP. First up, charging speed. This thing charges from 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes using AC power. That's faster than it takes me to find matching socks. And 0 to 100% in 80 minutes. It's like your devices barely even noticed it ran out. Second, expandable capacity. The Delta 2 starts at 1 kWh, but if you're feeling extra, and who isn't when you're glamping, you can expand it up to 3 kWh with additional batteries. That's basically a mini power grid in your trunk. Third, solar compatible. It's a full-on solar generator, baby. With support for up to 500 W of solar panel input, you can stay off-grid without sacrificing modern luxuries like coffee, light, or TikTok. Fourth, so many ports. 15 output options. USB-A, USB-C, AC, car outlet. It's like the Swiss Army knife of power stations. Plug in your phone, your fan, your drone, your fairy lights, your coffee maker, your emotional support lava. Lamp. It's got you. Fifth, quiet as a whisper. No loud rumbling like those old-school generators. The Delta 2 is quieter than your tent mate who refuses to share snacks. So what can this 1800W output actually do? Oh, I'm glad you asked. Need to charge your phone 89 times? Want to blend margaritas under the stars? Run a projector for outdoor movie night? Power a mini fridge to keep your snacks cold and judgment-free? This thing doesn't just support your camping trip, it elevates it, like turning your tent into a 4-star eco-lodge. Now, let's talk battery. The Delta 2 uses a Life PO4 battery. That's the good stuff. It's built to last over 3,000 full charge cycles, which means if you used it once a day, it'd last over 8 years. That's longer than most celebrity marriages. And with the built-in battery management system, it's auto-regulating. Temperature safe, and basically smarter than I am after 2 cups of coffee. It weighs 27 pounds, which sounds heavy. But compared to lugging around a gas generator and a can of fuel, it's a feather. Plus, it has these sturdy side handles, so it's easy to lift, move, and flex with as you carry it across the campsite. In the box you get the Delta 2 power station, an AC charging cable, a car charging cable, DC 5521 to DC 5525 cable, user manual, which I totally read, I swear, and a big ol' 5-year warranty. This power station isn't just for campers. It's for RV travelers, off-grid adventurers, people prepping for power outages, anyone who wants freedom from the wall outlet tyranny. It's for those who wander, but still want to charge their iPads. To sum it up, the EF ECOFLOW Delta 2 is an absolute game changer. Whether you're on a mountain, in the woods, or just pretending to camp in your backyard, this is the best portable power station for camping out there. It's fast, it's strong, it's quiet, and it won't leave you powerless in the wild, unlike me when I forget my snacks. Grab yours now before the next blackout, camping trip, or your weird cousin's wedding in the forest. Link in description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more gear reviews and let me know in the comments. What would you power with your Delta 2? Me? I'm powering my coffee machine and my Netflix account. Until next time, stay powered, stay playful, and please, never go camping without coffee again. Subscribe button animation, product shots, and the best portable power station for camping title again.